Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 1988 40 horse Yamaha 2-stroke oil injected. Be a 40 ELG. Nice freshwater Minnesota motor. No tilt and trim. It is a long shaft and it's set up for remote, as you can see. So it will come with the control box, prop. Compression was 120 on every cylinder. New water pump impeller. Fuel system's been cleaned. What else we do to this one? So new plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lube in the gear case, clean the carbs, 20-inch long shaft. Great running little motor. We'll fire it up here. It does have an indicator light here in the front, which will be green, yellow, red. Just tells you your oil level here. Oil goes right here. The vibration you hear is the little handle right here. And again, like I said, it does not have power, tilt, and trim. It's just the old tilt by the hand. Neutral. Reverse. Great running little motor. These are phenomenal little 2-strokes. Great for a pontoon or a little fishing boat. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and Merry Christmas.